Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is an unboxing. Let's start with this stuff because this is a big box. From Tiffany. She is Sweet Girly Things here on YouTube. She hosted it was like an open group swap. You either make one, make two, receive two, you know, it was up to you. I got my box and I am excited. I don't know who it's from. Oh, look how adorable this little card is. She's embossed it. Merry Christmas. Look at this cute. Oh, and she even like, I don't know if that's pen or like a silvery ink. Oh my gosh, shadowing on the edges. Swap partner. So this is from Tiffany. Sweet Girl. Okay, so her Instagram, yes, I remember her. So her Instagram and her YouTube are not the same handle, you guys. Her Instagram is Jazzy's Sweet Stuff. So two different names. There is Tiffany. A little like a hostess gift too. Like, you know, for joining, she sent like a cute, I remember she bought these, she said that she bought these organza bags for that. She included some Daiso tape. So fun. Gosh, Tiffany, this is crazy. Okay. Okay, so I'll go into her cute little, you know, thank you for joining my swap. She just included some cute little charms, gingerbread charms. And then again, the removable double-sided tape from Daiso Japan. Such a cute little thank you. I need to do that. You know what? I feel like I'm always in such like a chaotic rush when I'm hosting, like with 30-something swaps. I'm like, I can't even breathe, let alone ship them up. Sometimes I even forget to put a simple sticker on the box. Like, I'm a hot mess. I need to be more organized when I host. But look how stinking cute. Look at this. Oh my gosh, this mug is pink and perfect and adorable. She used the KS Craft mug box. She added a cute little gingerbread right here. Like, look at this. I love the paper selection used. It says Jolly. She's puffed that up on like a little flag and foam. I did see her sharing this. So cute. And then I think she put like socks, because she said this is like for a cozy day, you know? Oh my gosh, so cute. I love this idea. And look at this. And I wish I would have seen like her video prior to, because I gifted my preschoolers, teachers, and aides these, like a cup with a thing like this. I would have put socks in there, kind of in this idea. Super cute. Look how gorgeous. Pink little gingerbread house socks, super soft. And then she added, stay inside, stay cozy. Here's your mug and your little hot cocoa. You stick this in your hot cocoa and it melts. Hot cocoa stirring spoon. Such a cute, like cozy, thoughtful gift. I love this idea. I'm definitely scrap lifting that. Made these cute, the little they're the Dollar General gingy bag, but she added a cute little poinsettia. And look at this. It's an entire baking. Like, this is crazy. Look at this. Oh my gosh. And I remember when she was showing these gingerbread cups, that I was like, I've never seen those, and they're absolutely adorable. So you got the little ones are like shaped like a spoon, but they fit inside the ginger. I'm gonna have to use these year round because they just fit really good. I don't have a lot of room in my drawers, so like, look at that. It's compact for all the sizes that you get. And then a cute little spatula with cookie cutters. Oh my gosh, I love this. And then she did a little gingerbread towel, if I recall. Yep. Look how cute. Homemade gingerbread cookies, and it has like the little whatchamacallit, recipe. There we go. Look how cute this is. I love this. And then cute little pink candy cane, and then the gingerbread mix. I'm definitely gonna have to make these. My kids are finally off for school. I feel like they stayed in late. I don't know. But now I get to do all the like the fun, you know, mom things like baking, cookies, doing all the fun stuff, gingerbread stuff. Oh, love this. So cute. This tote. Oh my gosh, this thing is massive. Look at this. It's like a fun. I need to order some sizes like this from like Temu or something. But she's got cute little like that chenille like little ribbon at the top. Merry Christmas. Okay. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm so lucky. Get one of your swaps. Okay, let's see here. Tiffany is such an amazing crafter. She's always got like creative ideas. I mean, you're gonna see some of it right now. Like, seriously, look at this dangle. Okay, you guys, okay, like seriously, the creativity on this, you guys. She used like real baking, like the piping bags, and then put like beads, or I forgot. I think it's beads. Let me try to open this. Oh, it's in there. So it's like sealed up. But look how creative this is. Like, seriously, my brain ain't braining with this type of creativity. So, Tiffany, you are uber talented. Like, look at all the fun little, like, faceted beads, Christmas colors. I was literally just making dangles for mini ones. And I'm like, I don't have any green beads. And look at perfect timing because I haven't finished the dangles. Oh, I love it. I love the little cute striped ones and white ones. Such a creative packaging idea. You guys are definitely going to be scrap lifting this for any type of winter swap or a baking theme one, because yeah, this is just too dang creative and cute. And then she added this chunky monkey dangle. So I guess this bag comes with like a little like loop. So look at this. Oh my gosh, look how fun all of these charms are. I love the look of silver. I feel like I always tend to lean towards gold, like chain and stuff, and I love the silver, especially with like these colors. Ooh, look at this fancy red one. Little snowflakes. I love the little pink. Ooh, look at this one. These fancy little swirl ones. Ooh, look at the red. I love this. So good. Cute little like crystal one. Oh my gosh, gorgeous dangle. Again, so pretty. There was a cute little rosette on there. Baking Spirits Bright. That was the name of the swap, by the way. It was Baking Spirits Bright. Used like a Christmas collection, but baking theme, you know. And then she used, I think this is a KS Craft box. Yes, it is. She got her information stamped on the back. I love the cute pink little window and Gingy Girl. Merry Christmas. She got her cute little clip. I mean, that's a good way to clip it. I tried to use Velcro when I sent out one of my swaps, and it was like a fail. Okay, let's see. These are absolutely so adorable. Look how cute. So she used the new Jada Blossom little gingerbread that I am obsessed with. The stamp. It is so cute. Or not stamp, die. But she made, these are like heavy duty sturdy. She made cute little jumbo paper clips. Look how cute. Look at that one's face. Oh, the little Peachy Keen stamp face. So cute. She did the frosting in like a foam glitter. Look at those, like, there. You must have used like a shimmer. I love the look of the shimmer on the cheeks. The shimmer pink. I don't know if is that ink or some type of gesso? You'll have to let me know. Oh, so cute. Love these cute little gingies in their cute little home. And she did the cute little KS Craft gingerbread like box add-on for the bag, the Easter bag. And she did use the Baking Spirits Bright collection, I think from Michael's this year. Look how cute this bag is. She got her cute little bow. Oh, look at these. Like the little whippets. Oh, so cute. Oh, it's her Memdex. So we had to make a Memdex. I already forgot what we had to do. A Memdex, Memdex, a shaker, something else. Something dangly. Like that's her dangle. Oh, how cute. So she did the gingerbread Memdex from KS Craft. She added the cute little gingerbread or banner, the little mini banner. She's got the cute little bow. I love the way that it looks with the pink and the red. Gorgeous little snowflake. And look at this cute little shaker. She did like pink and red and snowflake. So cute. Polymer clay bits. Handmade by Tiffany. So cute. And look at these tiny little bows. And she just hauled some bows, like more little Temu bows. These are so cute. I love the stitching detail on it. So tiny, but a lot of detail. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Cute little Memdex, a box. Oh my gosh, you guys. And look at this. She turned KS Craft mini album. This is the baking tin looking thing. But look how cute her little, she put like tassel trims samples. Look how cute this ribbon is. The red one. She's got a bunch of seam binding, like the little furry ones. So cute on both of the jump rings. And look how adorable. So she did her little gingerbread, the little bow guy. Oh. She did sweet like in the cookies. And I don't know if she used like glossy accents to make it look like that, like a cookie. It says recipe. Oh my gosh, so cute. Oh wait. Ooh. Oh, this guy goes. I'll just glue him down. She's got the cute like little macaroon charm in a little piping bag. Oh my gosh, she even added like little, what's that stuff called? I think it's called magic. Shoot, I don't know. It's glitter, like a clear glass, glitter glass or something. Oh my gosh, love, love, love. She's so creative, like I said. And then she's got these cute little cookies. This one, oh my gosh, they're so cute in person. And look at this paper. And she got oh, we had to do 10 die cuts. Like I'm getting reminded now. So she did this cute little cake one, or like, what was that called? Abundant cake? I can't remember. And look at this. How did you even glue that white on? So dainty. Sugar cookie. Look at this one. And look at the little like cinnamon sticks hanging out. Oh my gosh, girl. And then this one, she cut it out in like a brown foam. Kiss the Cook, sprinkled with love, sweet stuff, baked, KS Craft words. So gorgeous. And then this one, she did the cute little apron die, KS Craft apron die. Look how cute. I love the color combo that you picked. Baking Spirits Bright. She's got a cute little not pipe cleaner. I keep calling it a pipe cleaner. A piping bag for like frosting. Oh my gosh, your die cuts. And look at the My Creative Time, Mr. and Mrs. Gingy. Cute little dress. I love the that you use like a white, she used like a fancy white shimmer paper. So cute, Tiff. And then right here, her piping bag. And then she's got a cute little Baked with Love. I did this die too. A cute little like cooking mitten. And then this one, she did, oh, we had to do a shaker. Like I said, mention the shaker. She did a cute, like, I like really dropped the bomb on my shaker. It was like, bleh, bleh. But she did a full-blown shaker. She did all the cute little shaker bits. And it looks, this is probably cut out in 110. It seems really thick. So she did the little sugar cookie, the marshmallows, the gingies in there. They're all chilling in there like a hot tub. So cute. And then she's got the little mitten banner coming down. Oh my gosh. And then the back, her info again, handmade. You know what? I don't even know if I added, now that I'm thinking about it, I don't even know if I feel like my whole life is just always rushed, and I don't even know if I put my handle on anything. I don't remember. But yeah, it's something I need to improve on. And then we had to do a pen or a Pokey tool. So look how cute she did a, oh, and she's a little clip. She did a cute little gingerbread. Gorgeous gold pen, and then she did red and gingerbread color, and then the little gingy guy. She added a little charm. I was going to add a tassel to mine, but I didn't have enough space in between. Like, I literally had like 2 beads in this, a thing, and I didn't even have room for a jump ring. It wasn't screwing on, so I was like, dang it. But super cute. And then next, she included a little like beauty gift. So the little ice pack, like hot and cold for your eyes. Refilled from Puffy. Girl, I am always tired and my eyes are always puffy. So definitely something I can use. Super cute. And it's a cute like Christmas little pink snowflakes. Super fun. Thank you. Thank you. And like I said, there was another box in here that she did a tutorial. This is the new KS Craft release. Let's see. I think it's, yeah, it is. It's the candy cart. I'm pretty sure. She probably just didn't want it to get smashed. Again, so creative. She packed it up in a box and then put it in the box. So not all this, you know, the weight of the mug would have completely smashed this had she, you know, did otherwise. Look how cute. So it's the cute little, it's so cute in person. And then she even has her info on the bottom. KS Craft 3D like candy cart. And then KS Craft came out with a bunch of words like crafty words. So she did rosettes, like a stand, and then put rosettes in there. But look at this little ledge. It's like a cute little Starbucks mug. She's got her cute little gingy and a little like macaroon cake. And look at the cute little tree. So cute. This is such a cute die, and I have not played with it yet. Sometimes I get like the dies for this, and I see like there's a million dies in the thing, and I mentally get overwhelmed even just looking at it without even cutting out papers or assembling it. That's just how I work. I get overwhelmed, and I'm like, oh gosh, gorgeous these are. She used like a shimmer paper. Oh my gosh, are those gingerbread? How cute! It's a rosette, but the border is like a little gingy. Is that a KS Craft? I don't think the KS Craft die looks like this. I could be wrong, but look how cute. Pink, and it matches this collection that she used. Purples, pinks, and then she did... See, this one's a gingy too. This might be the KS Craft one with a little gingy cut out. Look how gorgeous. Pink with some stripes, and this one's like a fun, colorful one. And then the cute little shimmer. Again, she used all shimmer papers, so they're extra gorgeous. Rosettes. So cute, Tiffany. And so many goodies. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that is everything from my swap partner, Tiffany. And you guys, I will leave Tiffany's information down below so you guys can go check her out. Like I said, get lots of inspiration. She's very creative. And I will catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for hosting, Tiff.